Like that is, I would say, the perfect curl. This thing is magical. Hey, what's up and welcome back to ByStephieNics. So I am super excited about today's video because I'm gonna be telling you guys about probably the craziest hair tool I've ever tried. This hair tool curls your hair for you. Excuse me, what now? It legitimately curls your hair for you. Can someone say game changer because the game has officially been changed. This hair tool is gonna be perfect for beginners who like don't have the curling technique down, but also it's gonna be amazing for pros. I curl my hair all the time and still I find this product so helpful, so useful. So I think we should get right into the video so we can talk through step by step what it is, what it's gonna do, show you how it works, and yeah, let's get into it. Let's go. So without further ado, here is the incredible hair tool that I've been raving about. This beauty right here is the Chi Lava 1-inch Volcanic Lava Ceramic Pro Spin and Curl. Are you impressed that I memorized the name? Because I'm kind of impressed right now. Let's slide this baby open, take a look at the actual curler inside. It looks kind of interesting. This is not what a normal curler looks like. The part that heats up and is actually gonna curl your hair is tucked inside. There's a 1-inch barrel right inside and that's what heats up. Your hair is gonna get curled around that. I'll explain how in a second, but that's why the outside it's not gonna get hot, so you're not gonna burn yourself because you hold it in any which direction, like there's nothing hot on your head or your fingers or anywhere. Kinda cool, ain't it? Since I mentioned the barrel, if you've been like researching this product, you might have come across the fact that there are two versions of it and you might be a little confused, like what's the difference? So this one right here is the Chi Lava Spin and Curl, but they also just have the regular Chi Spin and Curl. So the regular one, the barrel is made out of Chi ceramic, which is amazing, but this one right here, it's a ceramic barrel that also has volcanic lava minerals, which is gonna help prevent heat damage on your hair. So you know I went for this one because clearly I've been bleaching a little more. It's not as healthy as it used to be, so I wanna protect from any damage in any which way I can. Price difference on these, the regular one is $100, this one is $139. I'll definitely have both of them linked down below. This one only comes in this color pattern, but the regular one comes in a whole bunch of cute colors, so you know, pros and cons to both. Alrighty, okay, I'm gonna go plug it in so I can show you guys how it works. I'm so excited. Okay, so there's a little display screen right here. It's gonna tell you the temperature and then also the heat up time. And you can change these depending on what type of hair you have, fine, medium, or coarse. And they have instructions like what you should set for your hair. So since I'm trying to keep my hair semi-healthy, I'm gonna go for the medium settings on both of these. So you just hit the power button to unlock the settings. And then I'm just going to hit the plus and minus button. I'm gonna set it to 395 degrees. And then I'm gonna hit mode, and that's gonna bring you the timer settings and raise it up to 17 seconds rather than 15. So these are the settings for medium hair. Very customizable. Good stuff. Probably the only other thing on here that I would need to explain is there are two buttons right here at the top. It's an arrow pointing that way and an arrow pointing this way. And that's to determine which way your hair is curling. Usually like the modern thing is to curl your hair always away from your face. So on this side, you would choose the button that would make your hair curl that way. On this side of your head, you would curl with the button going that way. I'll show you. Okay, it's officially demo time. I'm so excited to show you guys how this thing works. First, I gotta section my hair because I have a lot of hair. It's very thick, so it's not all gonna happen in one layer. Yeah, something like that. Alrighty, let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna start off with just a small section of hair, something like that big. And what you're gonna do, it's crazy. Okay, so you're not gonna do anything other than lay your hair over the curler. It tells you right here, it says this side towards head, so put that side towards your head. And you can see that there's kind of like a little dip right on the inner barrel, and that's where you're gonna lay your hair right over. Simple as that. Let's do it. So you're just gonna take that section of hair, put the correct side towards your head, and just lay the hair right over that little dip, and then you're gonna press the arrow away from your head. I'm just gonna pull the hair right in. As soon as it curls it all the way, you're gonna let go, and now you wait. It's gonna beep when the time is up. So when we just wait it out, it's gonna be 17 seconds because that's what we chose. The hair's in there curling right now. Oh, there's the beep, and you just now gently lower it. Hello, I know you guys out there are like, did that just happen? It just happened. I don't even wanna touch it, like it's just so perfect. I'm gonna be walking you through this process a few times, so don't worry if you didn't get it, we'll do it again right now. Exact same way, we are going to just grab the next section of hair around that big. And this is like the danger zone area. It is right by your ear. This is where I always burn my ear with the curling iron. Not gonna happen this time because the outside is not hot. The inner heated barrel is completely protected away from your head. I could say it a million times. I'm so excited about that feature. Lay your hair right over that center part, and then you're gonna press the button and hold it down until all the hair is curled in, and then you let go. And now you just wait it out until it beeps. You can't hold the button for too long. All it's gonna do is just keep spinning it. It's not like it's gonna pull the hair out of your head. There's no tension right now. I didn't feel pulling or anything. Super gentle. There's the beep, and now you just lower it. No pulling at all, but it made just a super pretty curl. At the end, once everything is cool and curled, then we're gonna like pull it out and hairspray and the whole thing to make it look exactly how we want. But for now, you just leave it and move on to the next piece. For this section, I'm gonna be doing just a little more hair to show you that it doesn't really matter how much hair you put in. It's probably just gonna be a little bit of a looser curl, but we're gonna test it out and see how it comes out. What I like to do is I like to get my finger ready on the correct turning button so you're not like struggling when it's like behind your head. That's just a little tip. It's a little more difficult in the back of your head because you can't really see. You're gonna gently just lay it over the center and press the arrow. Pulls it in, let go when you feel like all the hair has been pulled in, and then you wait it out. 17 seconds. It's doing all the work for you. Gotta love it. There we go, and now you just gently pull it down. Wanna get that good reveal. There you go. Another super cute curl. Okay, so I'm gonna talk you through one piece on this side and then the rest I'll speed up. The only difference on this side is that you're gonna be pressing the other arrow because you want it to go that way. So you're gonna press this little right button. Get the section nice and together, and you're gonna put the barrel up as close to the roots as possible, lay it over the center, and just press the arrow. Just hold it there until it beeps. There we go. And now you just pull it down, and you got your little curl. It looks so cool with the brown and blonde together. I like this one. I'm just gonna speed through the rest and we'll do the top layer together. Okay, we've got the whole bottom layer done. Maybe I'll just hit it with a bit of hairspray before letting down the top layer. I'm just gonna be using Tresemme Tray 2 Spray in level 3. I don't mind if the top of the curls get a little crushed with the clips because I like the curls more towards the bottom anyway. Okay, got that out of the way. Let's let the top down. And we're instantly back to straight hair. These are like the most important pieces, these front ones. I'm so ready for this one. Okay, so I'm gonna get my finger ready on the correct arrow going back away from my face. And I'm just gonna lean this against my head, lay the hair right over the center, and then I'm gonna press the arrow, pull it all in, and then let go. Look at it in there, just curling away, doing its thing. It's like the easiest way to do hair. And now just pull it down. That's beautiful. Like that is, I would say, the perfect curl. This thing is magical. Let's keep going. I'm excited for the whole thing to be curled. I'm having so much fun. I love these just like super inventive, helpful products. Like they really just like thought through all the things that are annoying about the curling hair process and just, they fixed it. They just solved it all. There's the beep, pull it down. Hello, super cute. Anyone can use this thing. There is zero learning curve. It doesn't matter if you have like never done your hair before. You're just like one of those people who just air dries, walk out of the house. This is like a beginner yet pro hair tool. Does that make sense? No, it doesn't, but it does. Love that beep. Now you just pull that down. For whatever reason, I don't know what I'm doing different, but for these, like the bottom, like couple inches are straighter, which gives you that like little beachier look. Probably something about like how long I'm letting it curl. I think I'm letting it curl a little less for this layer. I'm gonna make this one curl longer to see if we'll still have that straight bit on the bottom. And I'm gonna let it spin for a little bit longer because I think now the bottom is gonna be fully curled. We'll see. There's the beep. Pull it down all the way. And what do we got? Yep. There we go, we figured it out. You see the bottom is super curled and these are a little straighter. So if you hold the arrow down longer, it's gonna keep curling and it's gonna get the bottom super curled. If you want it a little straighter on the end, just hold it long enough for it to like get in there and then stop. Kind of cool, you can like play around with it and get different styles. We just discovered that together right now, didn't we? Okay, I'm gonna like finish this half and then we'll talk again when we go to the other side. Okay, so there you go. I just finished up the back half of this top layer. We just got this little side to go. Let's talk through the first piece because I want to. It's really such an easy process. I mean, a regular curling iron, it's like getting the clamp and the spinning down, and even a wand, it's like you have to hold it in the right direction and then you have to curl and how tight and whatever. This figures it all out for you. Time, temperature, it literally does the spinning. Like, come on, you couldn't ask for anything simpler. Got my finger on the correct arrow, line it up there, right over the center, and press it. There's the beep. Pull it down, super gentle. I have no words. No words. Final beep. pull it out. There we go. Okay, let me just unclip that bottom section that we had clipped away. Now we can pull all the hair forward. Oh my God. That's like kind of stunning. Just like take a quick look around. Everything is like nice and evenly curled. I think at this point, yeah, it feels cool to the touch. So I'm gonna grab the Tresemme hairspray and just give it one nice spray all over. Ooh, a cloud of hairspray. And with that spray, now we can do my favorite part of any look, pulling the curls out. Here we go. Just gently run your fingers through. Basically that just like gets rid of that separation from curl to curl and softens the whole vibe. That looks like professionally done, does it not? I am just so impressed with the look that this curler gave us. That is beautiful. Soft curls all around, leaves the top few inches not done, which I mean, I like that. I don't want it like curled all the way to the root. I'm super happy with this result and I hope you guys like it too. And there we go. That completes our little demo, our review of the little Chi Lava, do I remember the name? The Chi Lava 1-inch Volcanic Lava Ceramic Pro Spinning Curl. I remember the name. High memory come through. If you're interested in picking up one of these for yourself, I'll have it linked down below. The pro version, the regular version, which is a little bit less expensive. If you enjoyed today's video, definitely scroll down and just leave a like before you click out. I'd really appreciate it. If you want to stick around to catch more of my future videos, we do all different types of topics. Definitely hit subscribe. There we go. Hit the subscribe button, and to be notified of every time I post a video, just ring that notification bell. It'll be sent straight to your phone. Never miss. And with all that said, I could probably put this down at this point with one final look at our little masterpiece we created today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And as always, this is ByStephieNics.